So it is Friday and it is weight day. I've just finished my workout. I did some leg lifts, I did some stretching, did a full weight routine, and I'm gonna finish out with abs, though I need to make my lunch. It's gonna be a crazy busy day, and I've already got my electric lunch box out because I will be eating from my car since I'll be in the field all day. I've already put on the bottom a little bit of chopped up zucchini. I've got some purple cabbage, some white onion over here. I had some leftovers since it's the tail end of the week. It's about time to clean out the fridge. And I've got some rice and some lentils. So this is leftover from my bowl the other night. I made some taco spiced lentils, if you saw that video already. So I'm just going to plop those on top of here. If you've never used an electric lunchbox before, they are so wonderful. They plug into your car. There's also a wall socket too. So if you're in the office and just want to have a hot lunch, and there's a grimy microwave in the break room that you don't want to use, or you don't want to stop at a truck stop or a gas station to ask to use the microwave, this is so wonderful. So on a cold, foggy day like this in Utah, I can still have a full work day and have a delicious hot lunch. So this is on the top. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of lime juice just to give it some added flavor here. Now the lentils are already seasoned, so they've already got some good flavor, but this will help with the vegetables too. And this is the tail end of the cauliflower cream sauce that I made a couple of days ago when I was prepping the lentils for tacos. So I'm just going to put this along the top. One thing you need to know about these electric lunch boxes, if you haven't used them before, the element actually steams. So there will be the need for a little bit of liquid. So when I plug this in later in the day, I will check the bottom just to see if any of the liquid from the vegetables has, seeped out at all. But if not, I will just put a little bit of water or maybe some lime juice on here. And that is it. I already take a little bit of seasoning with me, so if I need salt and pepper, I always have a little container with me in my lunchbox. Put on a little bit of cilantro. That's it. I've got an apple for dessert, and I am set up. So let me know, is this something that you would eat? Give this a thumbs up if it was useful, helpful. I follow the Starch Solution. It saved my life years ago after I experienced a life-threatening event. It is so good. Thanks for watching.